Hey everyone, I'm Sarah, and this is Courageous Color. And today we are going to talk about the meaning of the color red. Red is a bold and bright color. It's also powerful, elegant, and fashionable. Red makes a statement and draws in the eye, which is why it's associated with classic cars and fast cars. Many restaurants use the color red because it makes people hungry. And speaking of food, red typically means a food is spicy or hot. Red is also widely accepted as a color of changing seasons and holiday celebrations. When it's used in artistic pieces, red helps people express positive emotions like love, passion, energy, power, strength, and excitement, as well as negative emotions like anger, warning, danger, and hate. Comment down below and let me know what the color red means to you. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.